Hello everyone, our problem statement ID is 1655 and our problem statement title is Detecting Oil Spills at Marine Environment Using Automatic Identification System and Satellite Datasets. So we are proposing a solution that automates the whole oil spill detection process starting from anomalies detection to analyzing SAR images from Sentinel-1 satellite. So first of all, we will continuously fetch vessel details through AIS Hub API that will further go through our anomalies detection model, which is based on isolation forest model. It will check for any erratic movement, sudden stops, or sort of course deviation. If any anomalies is detected, then we will fetch the Sentinel-1 SAR images through Copernicus APIs. As you can see, here are some blocks of area that are defined and we will fetch the relative block that will suit that longitude and latitude of area. Okay, so this is how we can make request to the Copernicus API. Here we can manually set the date and time and how much images we want from the API. Due to the large size of these images, they will be pre-processed at the snap tool, which will be on our virtual machine. That will firstly crop the image through its subset feature and then apply various pre-processing like removing the thermal noise, land masking, radiometric calibration, and using speckle filter. Then to enhance the pixel size, we will convert the scale to decibel. After that, we will use the oil spill filter of snap tool and then save that image to geotiff file so that its geospatial data will be saved. Here is how we have pre-processed some sample datasets using snap tools. Here you can see the potential oil spill, so we will use the subset feature to crop out that part of the image. After that, we will use the oil spill detection filter of snap tool, and this is the final processed image that we will save. Now for the final detection, we will pass this processed image through our efficient BO model. To train this model, we have manually identified some previous oil spill incidents, and from Copernicus website, we have collected a dataset of about 50 to 60 images that will be used to train the model. Now, if the model detects the oil spill, it will automatically send an alert to the respective authority with necessary details of the vessel. This will be the dashboard where authorities will receive alert. It will contain all the necessary information about the vessel like the MMSI number, the IMO number, the call sign, the exact latitude and longitude of the oil spill, the date and time, vessel name along with SOG COG of the vessel and with speed of vessel too. By this real-time detection and alert system, swift response can be taken and any kind of potential economic or environmental loss can be avoided. Thank you.